Can a single update change the game for AI technology? With rumors swirling about GPT 4.5 boasting a staggering 256,000 token context window, the answer seems to be a resounding yes. Today, we dive deep into the hidden secrets of GPT 4.5, an update that's setting the tech world abuzz with its potential. Let's get started and uncover what's inside GPT 4.5 that will shock you. 1. The initial clue. In the realm of AI and technology, whispers and leaks often precede major announcements, and this time the buzz centers around a figure named Jimmy Apples. Known within tech circles for his uncanny ability to forecast OpenAI's next moves, Jimmy recently dropped a bombshell that has everyone talking. He unearthed a mention of GPT 4.5 inches on a university website, a detail that should have been mundane except for one glaring fact. Officially, GPT 4.5 doesn't exist yet. This discovery, coming from a source with a history of accuracy and predictions, lends it a weight of credibility that's hard to ignore. The plot thickens with the GPT mention. This reference to GPT 4.5 appeared out of the blue, sparking immediate attention and speculation. But just as quickly as it appeared, the term GPT 4.5 inches on the website was switched to GPT 4 Turbo after the community took notice. This rapid change raises questions. Was it a simple typo, or was the initial mention an accidental leak, a glimpse into OpenAI's closely guarded developments? The fleeting nature of this reference, coupled with Jimmy's track record, has set the stage for a flurry of speculation and detective work within the tech community. Both instances, Jimmy Apple's predictive tweet and the ephemeral GPT mention, serve as the initial clues in a growing mystery surrounding GPT 4.5. These tidbits of information, while seemingly insignificant on their own, have ignited a firestorm of curiosity and investigation. What does OpenAI have up its sleeve with GPT 4.5? And how will it change the landscape of artificial intelligence? These questions form the core of our exploration today, as we delve deeper into the rumors, the speculation, and the potential realities of GPT 4.5. 2. The rumor mill. The rumor mill surrounding GPT 4.5 took a more tangible form when a cached Bing search result surfaced, revealing what many believe to be a sneak peek into OpenAI's latest endeavor. This cache hinted at an AI model dubbed GPT 4.5 Turbo, boasting capabilities that seem to leapfrog over current limitations. The details are compelling. A token context window ranging from 250 to an impressive 6,000 tokens. This feature alone suggests a model capable of understanding and processing text on a scale far beyond what's currently possible, hinting at a substantial leap in natural language processing and code generation abilities. Moreover, the cache indicated that GPT 4.5's knowledge cutoff could be as recent as June 2024, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the potential timing of its release. The community's response to these revelations was swift and multifaceted. Enthusiasts and skeptics alike dove into detective work, parsing every clue for veracity and implications. Online forums and social media buzzed with discussions, debates, and speculation. Some individuals pointed to the possibility that the information might be a placeholder or an accidentally published draft, while others argued the improbability of such a significant update being silently released without fanfare. Amid this whirlwind of activity, a common thread emerged: a collective eagerness to uncover the truth behind GPT 4.5. This blend of skepticism and enthusiasm has fueled a broader conversation about the pace of AI development and the implications of such advanced models on technology and society. While some caution against taking every rumor at face value, the persistent appearance of new evidence keeps the community's hopes alive. Whether these discussions will lead to concrete information or fade into the background as yet another unfounded rumor remains to be seen. Nonetheless, the intrigue surrounding GPT 4.5 underscores the relentless pace of innovation in the field of artificial intelligence and the global community's deep engagement with its evolution. 3. The speculations and theories. As the whispers around GPT 4.5 grow louder, two aspects stand out, sparking intense debate and excitement: the enhanced abilities rumored to be part of this update, and the mixed reactions of skepticism and enthusiasm it has engendered within the community. Enhanced abilities. At the heart of the buzz is the remarkable claim that GPT 4.5 could feature a token context window ranging from 250 to 6,000 tokens. This capability suggests a monumental leap forward, enabling the AI to process and understand much larger blocks of text than its predecessors. Such an expansion in context understanding could revolutionize natural language processing and code generation, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Additionally, the cache hinted at the model being updated with knowledge current up to June 2024, suggesting not just an improvement in sheer processing power, but also in providing timely and relevant responses. This combination of speed, accuracy, and a broadened context window points to an AI that's significantly more adept at handling complex queries and generating nuanced content. Skepticism versus enthusiasm. Yet with every leap forward comes a shadow of doubt. The community's response to these rumors has been a mix of skepticism and enthusiasm. Some argue that the information, especially the cached Bing search result, might be a placeholder or an accidentally published draft, suggesting caution against taking the leaks at face value. This skepticism is rooted in past experiences where anticipated developments led to dead ends or didn't live up to the hype. On the flip side, there's palpable excitement about the potential advancements GPT 4.5 represents. Enthusiasts are piecing together every bit of available information, eager for confirmation and official announcements from OpenAI. The possibility of a more powerful AI model has ignited imaginations, with the community buzzing about the new horizons that GPT 4.5 could open up. This juxtaposition of skepticism and enthusiasm captures the broader dynamics at play in the AI community. While some caution against premature excitement, others can't help but be swept up in the potential of what GPT 4.5 might bring to the table. Amid this whirlwind of speculation, the conversation around GPT 4.5 continues to evolve, reflecting the deep interest and investment in the progression of AI technology. 4. Community and speculation. The timing and context of the leaks surrounding GPT 4.5 have sparked not just curiosity, but a whirlwind of speculation and anticipation. This buzz is not without reason. The leaks emerged close to the anniversary of GPT-4's release, suggesting a possible pattern or strategy in OpenAI's release cycle. This alignment with significant dates fuels the theory that OpenAI might be gearing up for an annual update, a move that could revolutionize the pace at which AI technology advances. The broader impact of these rumors extends far beyond mere speculation. The AI community, always on the lookout for the next big breakthrough, has been set ablaze with discussions, predictions, and debates. This isn't just about one potential update. It's about what GPT 4.5 represents for the future of AI. A new model with enhanced capabilities could significantly shift the technological landscape, offering unprecedented improvements in speed, understanding, and functionality. Such advancements have the power to redefine what's possible, pushing the boundaries of AI's role in society, the economy, and our daily lives. Whether GPT 4.5 is real or not, the conversation it has sparked is a testament to the deep interest and investment in the progression of AI technology. It highlights the community's eagerness for innovations that could redefine the technological landscape, underscoring the relentless pace of development in the field of artificial intelligence. That wraps up our deep dive into the buzz around GPT 4.5. What do you think? Is it the future of AI we've been waiting for? Share your thoughts in the comments. We're eager to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with the latest in tech, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below. See you in the next video.